Doing good. I was wondering what that was when I backed in there. You know what that is? That's that part of somebody's trailer. They knocked it off. That's funny. Man, it looks good. I would take that home. I don't know what I'd use it for. Let's go this way. Oh, there's Katie. Everybody's calling me. Hang on a second. Hello? Yes. Oh yeah. He called. I didn't talk to him, but he left me a message, and I'm going to be whatever Marty wants, Marty gets, because I stepped on it. I stepped on his toes a couple months ago, so I want to make sure that whatever he wants, he'll get. So. Alright, good deal. So I got unloaded over here. There was just a big failure to communicate. The stuff I had can be unloaded anytime. It's the long pipe that has to be unloaded in the morning. But apparently whoever I called and talked to didn't know that. So alright, I'm gonna just go up to the truck stop. I looked real quick before I backed up. I looked real quick and I didn't see anything worth doing. Oh, okay. All right. Sounds good. Sounds good. All right. Talk to you a bit. Thanks. All right. Bye. All right. That was Katie. She just wanted to confirm that I was dispatched on that load to Alamogordo. Good morning. It's Monday morning, and we picked up our air conditioner this morning, and we're back over at the pilot I was at yesterday. We're gonna get some fuel. This pilot's a little tight getting in and out of, like I said yesterday, but they do have cheap fuel, so I can put up with that for a little bit. But we'll drive through the parking lot and you guys can see what I was talking about, how tight it is to back in there. We're good. We got our air conditioner. We were in and out of there in less than an hour. And once I get some fuel, we'll stop somewhere at a nice big rest area, somewhere nice and quiet. Go outside, take a look at it. It's just one big unit. About 20, I think about 26 feet long. It only weighs 6,000 pounds. So as you can see, so this is the pilot. See how tiny this little entrance is right here? And then whenever the trucks have to park like this, it's tough. You freight guys that bump docks all the time, you guys are pretty good at it. I say most of you guys are pretty good at it. Parked back down in there. But it's hard to get in that stuff. Let's see. We got an open one. This one looks open. So I'm going to top off the truck. It's only going to take probably about 60, 70 gallons. But if we top it off now, I won't have to buy fuel in Illinois or Indiana. I won't have to get fuel until we get to Missouri, where it's just a little bit cheaper. fixed out my tank problem. I think I might put that on the list while I'm home real quick. Go get the stuff to do it. All right, let me get my fuel, and then we'll go take a look at the air conditioner. Oh, before we go out, let me show you something. So, I stopped at the Love's. You know, I got some fuel. And they had these headlights on sale. $5. These headlights are hard to find. I shouldn't say hard to find. They're becoming harder to find. I was at the Walmart and couldn't find those headlights. And I've noticed the truck stops are stopping carrying those headlights. Those were on the discount bin for $5. Normal price at the Love's for them things was $20. So anyway, I picked up 2 of them. I've had people tell me to go ahead and swap out, put them LED lights in there. I don't know if I'll do that or not, but maybe eventually. Here's our air conditioner. So now they told me how to chain it. Run the chains through here. He said some guys will run a chain across the front, some guys will run a chain down the length like I did. He said either way is acceptable, just no straps over the top. So it's nice and tight there, and I put a little bungee to keep that handle from flipping up. So that looks good. This thing only weighs about 6,000 pounds, so it's not bad at all. See that piece of wood? I might get the hammer and bang that in there. The arch of the trailer sits right there. So what I might do, I might hammer that in and throw a nail down in that wood so it doesn't vibrate out of there. Still got a long way to go. Axle's up. So today's video sponsored by Dorsey Trailer. The old Dorsey's a little dirty today. Maybe we'll get it washed over there somewhere before we get home. But same thing over here. So the way they load this, they have like a tripod thing, not tripod, but a lift that straddles the trailer, and you back up under the lift, and then they set it down on the trailer. So, but that's it. I think the only thing I'm going to take care of is I'm going to see that one's loose. I'm going to go ahead and throw a nail in that wood right there, take care of that. So we've only gone about 60 miles or so since we loaded, so just check things out. So let me do that real quick and then we'll get going. We're ready to go here. We got to go down here and make this goofy left turn here to get back on Highway 31. So my goal, or my next stopping point, is going to be the Love's north of Indianapolis. And then once we get to there, we'll take another little break and then make our way through Indianapolis. Ultimately, I'd like to get to Effingham or further. If I get to Effingham, the next stop would be on the other side of St. Louis, so I don't have to deal with St. Louis in the morning. But we'll see how much time we have. Effingham, Illinois at the Petro. We're actually taking our 30-minute break, and I'm gonna go take a shower during my 30-minute break. But I wanted to check the oil, see how it's doing. Let me set you guys up and then check the oil here. All right, there's no good spot to really set you guys up here, but just wanted to check the oil here. It's been cold, and it's kind of like a misty kind of rain right now. I don't think it'll take much. Look at that, right on the money. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Right on the money. That's good. Yeah, the old motor's been doing pretty good. Check the power steering up here. Not burning too much oil. Let's see. That's good enough. And we'll check out the belts and whatnot. Looks good from here. The oil. Let's go over here. It's a good looking Peterbilt, flat top with an RGN. Everything looking pretty good over here. Looks good. So, I'm gonna try to get over to Cuba, Missouri, which from right here is about 150 miles or so. And then that way I don't have to deal with St. Louis in the morning. But real quick, let's walk back here. Take a look. Man, it is cold. Whew. My little boards, since I nailed in, are doing good. That's doing good. Trailer's doing good. I was wondering what that was when I backed in there. You know what that is? That's that part of somebody's trailer. They knocked it off. That's funny. Man, it looks good. I would take that home. I don't know what I'd use it for. It's not all bent up. It wouldn't take much to put it back on the truck though. Huh. That's funny. All right, let's check everything else here. Let's see what it's doing. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. All right. Let me close the truck up, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, it's the end of the day. We did good. 617 miles today. We're over here in Cuba, Missouri. It's kind of been a misty, foggy rain all day this evening. And actually, now is probably a pretty good time to stop because it's starting to get foggy out on the road. So, but we used up. We had 57 minutes left of driving time, so we did pretty good. Let's see. So tomorrow, I think I'm going to stop over by 4 states over in Joplin, Missouri, and go look around, see what they got in there. Just see what they got. I'm actually looking for a dunnage rack is what I'm looking for, but I'll see if they have anything or anything I like. But that's it. Truck's doing good. Generator's doing. People ask me, how do I get heat in the truck if it just makes electricity? And I just use a regular old little ceramic space heater from Walmart for $20. I buy a new one every year. I've been using them for years. I just plug it in. It'll keep the truck warm. Close the curtain. I've used it when it's been cold outside, and it does pretty good. Like last night up there in Michigan, I used a little spot here, and that generator's got that little box on it. It'll tell you what the temperature is inside, and it was 80 degrees here in the truck inside, so it does good. So anyway, all right, that's it. I'm just rambling now. I'm tired. When I'm driving all these years, usually when my eyes start to burn a little bit, it's time to stop. So my eyes are starting to burn a little bit. That means I'm tired. It's time to go to bed. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.